sunflowers, you call them. They might look like dandelions, but they're not. They're sunflowers. They're dandelions. And bugs, right here, they always turn like that. And they always stay powerful, like that. Different ones. These queen ants always grow in here. All right, the red vines are over here too. Come and look. Now these are some types of flowers. Those one might be hard. Well, you take this flower home too. I think you can pull it out. Come on, try and see. Now, let's talk about the queen ants. Now, these are some